folks, Robert with Currency Waves. Gonna take a look at some currency pairs that we follow real quick. Probably I'm gonna look at more of the swings than I am the count itself, but we'll start out with the dollar index. And I did a post here on the dollar index last week, and it kind of covers the dollar index and the euro, the pound, the Swissy, Aussie is up there, I think, dollar yen. So if you haven't seen that yet, I will post it in the comments or in the section below. Kind of just points out where I think we're going over the next 6 to 8 months on the dollar crosses. To those that have been donating, I certainly appreciate it. You know, for $2 you can help support the channel, keep it alive, keep things going. Also the tweets, retweets, all that good stuff is helpful too. Thank you for that. Dollar index. Looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 and possible ending diagonal here for wave 5. I'm a little concerned with the divergence here between 1. We've actually broken above this wave 3 high divergence, so I'm thinking maybe this is just wave 3 here, and then we're going to see another pullback for 4 and then 5. As long as we're holding above this 94.07, I think we need to continue to look higher. I don't think it's going to shoot out of here or anything. I think it's just going to consolidate and make smaller highs. I mean, poke high for it. Make new highs very small, just continuing to move kind of sideways to a little higher for the ending diagonal. Looking at the Aussie yen from these lows around 72 here, 72.50. I think we have just 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 here, 4, 5 up for an A. Right now we have 1, 2, 3 down, sideways consolidation for a 4th swing, and we're going to see a 5, 6, and 7. So 3, 7, 11, 15 are corrections. So like I say, I think we're going to break this 80-50 support. We'll bounce back up, test it for 6, and then we'll get one more low for 7. That would complete this. Maybe down around 76 before moving higher in a C wave. Aussie dollar, pretty much the same thing. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up for a possible leading diagonal. We've got A, we need a B and a C. That may see all the way back down to 69.75. It's not uncommon to see a deep retrace on a leading diagonal like that. So, but we could see the support here at 71.50. Looking at the moves, swings down from 81.35, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sideways for 10. One more would make 11, and it should complete the correction down for this leg. And we could see 3 more up and then back down again. I'm kind of playing this out with the dollar, what I think the dollar index is going to do. So when this is complete, we could see 3 waves up for the B and then one more down yet. Euro Aussie, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 3 back down, 1 up really. I really think we need to test this 146 and this wave too low here. We've got it. What looks like the head and shoulders forming here with the left shoulder, left neckline, head, right neckline, right shoulder. So really a break of 52.75, we could see that 46 if we measure that. From the head to the neckline, say she breaks right here. Actually comes down to 44 right there by that wave 2. So, and then I would be looking higher from there. Euro pound, I think we're going to continue to see another couple more highs here. I've been looking at this, trying to count these swings, and it's such a mess. If you go 1, 2, 3, sideways consolidation for 4, you know, like a 5, 6, 7, this would be 8. A new high would be 9. We see 3 ways back for 10, 1 more up for 11. I think is what's going to happen here. I really like this as a 5-wave move down here for A. And this could be done here. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it could be done here. But we need a move back below 88.64 to get this ball rolling back down. So again, above 89.58, I think we're going to see, that would be wave swing 9. Then we'll see 3 back for 10, and then 1 more high after that. Euro yen, it's, you know, you got 3 down, you got 3 up, you got 3 back down, and right now I'm looking at, as long as we hold below 31.15, I'm going to look for 24 at least. So that would give us 1, 2, 3. 3 up would be 4. Then a break would give us 5, and then we need a 6 and a 7 yet to complete that. Back above 31.15. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we need a 5, 6, 7, which we could see 34.75. So kind of in no man's land right now. I'm just going to continue to look lower. And one reason I am continuing to look lower on that is because of the euro dollar. We have 1, 2, 3 sideways consolidation for 4. And looking for 13.44 to complete this 5-wave move. Should see 3 back up for the B wave, and then another 5 down before moving higher again. Pound Aussie, I posted this chart a while back with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looking for 8, 9, 10, 11. If we break this 73.92, I was kind of hoping for an ABC up for B to get short, and then ride this C down for 8, just in case this correct is complete here. We could see a deeper move here, but for now I'm just looking for 71. If it breaks this 73.92, that would complete the 8th swing. Then we'd be looking for 9, 10, 11 up. So need to hold this 73.92.6 low. From this high we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 swings. You could actually go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we need a 10 and 11 yet, but getting real close to that 73.92. Pound yen, looking for that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm probably going to relabel these ABCs here as impulse. You could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 3 up. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 3 up. You got 1, 2. Working on 3. Trend line comes in around 41.50, somewhere in that area. So that's where I'm going to be looking for a bounce for the 3 waves back up. This would be A or 1. If we look at the bigger picture, I think we have an A wave here. We need an A, B, C down before moving higher again. And the one reason I am looking higher yet, I believe we're going to see higher, is we're right at that between 38 and 50. I think we're going to see that 61.8. I know there's a lot going on with Brexit and stuff right now, but don't know that it's going to be as bad as some are thinking. Pound dollar, I'm sorry, this giving up this divergence here. We're really not helping the ending diagonal here. Doesn't mean we can't have some type of 1, 2, 3, 4, and we got A, B, C for 5 for a leading diagonal, and we still see that 3 up. We just have to wait and see how it plays out. It's, like I said this morning, above 32.11. It hasn't made a higher high since back in April, and until it does, we need to continue to look lower, and right now 32.11 is the line in the sand. I do believe we got 1, 2, 3. We're going to see a 4 to 5 yet at least before we get any type of bigger bounce here. Dollar CAD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be 6. We need 7. And then I'll be looking lower from there. If we look at the weekly, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't need a 5, 6, 7 is what I'm looking for, I should say. If we look at this correction, I think you can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right now. So. And we have some positive hidden divergence here too, with the RSI breaking down here. Breaking these lows, still holding these lows here on price. So I do believe we're going to see another high. I was kind of hoping that this low was going to do it, but it ran up into resistance here and now is backing off after only 3 waves up. So we could see a couple more smaller lows here with I was just trying to count these here. 1, 2, 3. Because this made a higher high, I'd go 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Maybe one more would do it. But either way, as soon as we get above this 30.40, I'll be looking up for 33.86. Swissy, I am looking for 96. I think we have 5 waves down here. Let's go to the hourly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be 6, and then we'll see a 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, blah, blah, blah. On the way up, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we're working on 6, 7. I'd like to probably get short up here at 10025 area with a stop again at 100678. Then I'll be looking for 2 equal legs down there. Dollar yen is kind of in no man's land as well. we got 3 waves up. As long as we hold above this 1051 area, the 58.8 is what it is. This leading diagonal is still in play. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll look for 3 ways back, probably down to 108, and then higher from there. So, all right, that's what I have for today. I'm a day late on the weekend video, but apologize for that. Again, thanks for all the donations and the likes and tweets and all that good stuff. I certainly appreciate it. Keep her coming. Thank you.